Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss one technology which is called Ncomputing technology, and the Ncomputing is today's most important and popular model, where some companies are contributing, but the Ncomputing is a trademark itself. It is giving the devices to the companies itself and installation supports. I will discuss an example of model L300 series VSP server software and the model L300 thin client. So this is we know what is Ncomputing. The definition so is it is a technology with hardware and software to create virtual desktops which enables multiple users to do simultaneously and share a single operating system instance. That is, one computer has the users, 2, 3, 4 users, and they can enable to log in from the remote devices where only thin client device is available, which is called an computing device. And I will show the next slide with the connectivity and components here. This shows it is a LAN connection where main PC is connected to this port either with a switch or in a PCI LAN cards. So here numbering is given, and this picture is from Google sites, but I will illustrate this one by one. These two ports are for USB, where a pen drive, flash drive, etc. can be added, and this is microphone and headphone connectivity. 4 and 5 is of keyboard and mouse, where symbol is also provided with appropriate symbol, and this is Ethernet, where the PC is connected to this device for independent use with a VGA connectivity like independent computer, but the user is provided from this server where line is connected. And 6 is maybe 100 BST Ethernet model or gigabyte Ethernet model, and 7 is a VGA connectivity to display the device information, user information, and 8 is the power adapter to enable this to work. Power switch is here. So next slide show the brief components again. The devices connectivity, monitor, keyboard, mic, and USB, etc. And this is connected to LAN towards this port. Now the steps I will brief it here, and please follow these steps to install your Ncomputing device without any problem. And this is number one, connect the Ncomputing device to the server using LAN cable. Already I discussed in this above diagram. An IP class CIP may be assigned to this server with appropriate subnet marks. Then install the software like VSP software, which is to be installed in the main computer, which is said to be a mini server, but it can be a normal PC too. And then connect and computing devices to this computer, and users also created in this main PC. The PC has the users and which are placed as a remote desktop user group. But in case of domain computing devices, that is AD services is there, then it is not required. That is, if domain server is created, then this step is not required. But if it is normal PC, then it is suggested that it should be added as remote desktop user group. And you know the users and groups are there. You see the property of this users property, then you can evaluate in advanced search option the group of the users where remote desktop user group are available. Next is then switch on the devices and computer devices with individual CD LCD, and then go through the user manual to configure and configure devices as per your device manual available. I will discuss a brief description of these steps where this L300 series is here. Configure, click on the setup and computing devices screen, device setup and connection setting. Configure connection setting. Then next is steps is where available auto connection is there and manual connection is there, and as your choice both can be assigned. Next is the step is to configure resolution, login resolution according to your best view of LCD. Next is set up network where DHCP and static IP is available. So the IP is if it's static, then you will set as this, where this is the device IP and this will be the server IP. Server means the main PC IP where the device is connected. So if in case of DHCP, then you should choose obtain an IP automatically. So I think it is okay now, and it is ready to be uh, start the devices, that is save settings and restart the device, and then which is giving you the options to connect to the main PC group or the user. And you know the Ncomputing is a trademark licensing software, hence it should be renewed within 1 month of this with the company. So thank you guys, thanks for viewing this video. If it is helpful to you, please click on the like button. Thank you.